Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to fix the zoom error in SketchUp. So it happens many times when you zoom in, then the faces, the solid objects and the model breaks itself. So it's a very simple technique to actually solve it. You just have to go in extensions, then developer, and then press on Ruby console. Right over here, what you have to do is just you have to paste this code, mextends, which is right over here. This is the code. You can pause the video and just write it. SketchUp active model, active zoom, extends. That's it. This is just a two-line small code that you just have to paste. You can just take a screenshot, or you can just type it down your keyboard. I will pin in the comments below. So this is what you have to do, and just press enter, and that's it. The SketchUp will solve itself. The software will solve itself. All the hidden geometries or any error or bug which would be happening in SketchUp will be sorted out, and you will good to go for zooming. So now you can zoom without any errors. So that was it for the video. So if you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.